Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an ebony black 2012 Kia Sorento LX, stock number A7327. Starting up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Kelly edge tire. Inside, you have a black cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Sorento. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating does fold into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Kia today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your traction control button. And then taking a step inside to the left of the steering wheel here, you have audio controls. And then to the right-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons as well as some additional audio controls. Coming over to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You do have capabilities for Sirius satellite radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There is a USB port and an auxiliary port. You've got a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 30 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Kia or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.